Today, we're taking this image and turning it into this. Stay with me because we're about to use something crazy to make this even better. First things first, background, gone. Use the object selection tool, clean it up, and boom, just like that, it's out of the way. Now we're cutting this can into 5 clean pieces with the pen tool. Precision is key. Then, we separate each piece into its own layer using the lasso tool. Now we're working smart. Next up, we need a picture of an orange, a fresh one. Remove the background using the pen tool, and now, watch this. I'm placing each piece exactly where I need it by copy-pasting and adjusting it into place. This is where it starts coming together. Now let's talk background. Make it your own. I'm keeping it simple, just using a soft round brush to create a gradient to set the tone. Quick, easy, effective. But here's the trick to making this look real. Shadows. You have to add them in all the right spots, where the light wouldn't hit naturally. That's what gives it depth, realism, and that professional touch. For the decoration, I'm throwing in some orange slices to add more layers and make the whole thing feel alive. A little extra detail goes a long way. And now, the secret sauce, the part that takes this to another level. We need some orange juice splashes, but how do we do that without spending hours painting every single drop? That's where this brush pack comes in. Over 300 brushes, clouds, splashes, smoke, rain, sun rays, you name it. And right now I'm using a splash brush to bring this to life. Look at that, insane. If you're an artist like me, this will save you so much time. Trust me. Go check out the brushmaster.shop and grab this pack. Oh, and there's even a free brush pack waiting for you there too. All right, enough talking. Let's wrap this up. What do you think? Looks insane, right? Try it yourself and send your art to our Instagram. The link's in the description. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more.